everyone. I thought we'd come online and do a really quick Larimar pour. I took some Let's Resin Chameleon Powder Blue and painted it around the edge. I'm using Nick Pro resin. It's a 1-to-1 resin. I haven't tried it with this effect yet. It is a little thicker viscosity. I do really great with my craft resin. I'm hoping we get the same great results with this. I mixed up 7 ounces of resin, divided it amongst these cups. In my first cup, I used Octopus Fluids Alcohol Ink Navy. In my second cup, I used purple. And I'm only doing about 7 drops. Oh, sorry, I have these out of order. You're probably like, that's not purple. Let me put that back in order. Which way do I want to do it? All right, let's do this again. Ocean. This is Ocean. 7 drops of them all. That's really just like a greeny color. Then purple. Now this probably looks better to you, but it's actually purple. All right. And then I use my Enoki, which is also by Octopus Fluids. I get all my Octopus Fluids from Laura's Art Corner here in the United States. Otherwise, it costs a fortune to ship them from Germany. I used 30 drops in this. I also added just a little bit from Laura's Art Corner, this Magnolia Shimmer, just to give it a little something extra. All right, so the first thing I do for this effect is I put my white in the mold. And then I don't think I'm gonna do anything special. I think I'm just going to do the standard quick pour. And then our purple. Should fill our mold. And that is it, folks. See how fast that was? Once you have your resin mixed up and everything, it goes very, very fast. I was debating putting these little silver bits in, but you know, I really like the Larimar without any center. So I think I'm just gonna do that. I think I'm just gonna leave it blank. That's it. I may hit it with a torch if I see a lot of bubbles, but generally with these lower viscosity resins, I don't get a lot of bubbles. All right, we'll be back when it's ready to unmold. All right, we're back to see how this resin worked with the Larimar effect. Oh, that's pretty. That is pretty. I really like how the purple came through. This one time though, if I had added those silver bits, I think it would have looked better.